Hi, I'm Chris. In this video, I'll introduce you to MKIO Beam and how this cutting-edge technology is redefining live video workflows. MKIO Beam is a single, unified live video software solution deployed on-premise inside your network. It replaces fragmented, hardware-based systems with a single, consistent way to process live video. One software platform, one operational model, built for live video. Beam supports 3 core live video use cases. Contribution for ultra-low latency encoding and connectivity from the field. Reception for high-density decoding, ingest and monitoring. And full headend deployments for dense channel encoding, packaging and stream preparation for delivery. These aren't separate products, just different workloads running on the same software. Beam can operate on-prem independently, but connecting it to the MKIO cloud unlocks cloud-smart capabilities like centralized management, flexible licensing, metering, and pay-as-you-go economics. So you can scale up for a live event or seasonal peak and scale back when it's over. Beam is set up and managed through the MKIO portal. Once you log in, everything is centralized. You can manage users, roles, entitlements, licenses and devices in one place. Licenses aren't tied to individual machines, which gives you flexibility to move workloads or swap servers without operational friction. Devices is where you manage your Beam fleet across sites and facilities as one connected view, so you can see availability, status and capacity without logging into individual servers. Beam adapts to how you operate commercially, whether that's CapEx models, enterprise agreements, reserved capacity, or pay-as-you-go pricing. If you need extra capacity for a live event, you can add it quickly for the time you need it. And usage is reflected through real-time metering and billing in the portal. And while Beam runs as pure software on standard servers, performance is built for live. Ultra-low latency contribution, high-density processing, and the ability to run more channels per server across encoding, decoding, and packaging, all in a single stack. MKIO Beam brings cloud simplicity, on-prem performance, and operational freedom together in one platform. Built for broadcasters, OTT providers, sports, and live production teams. To learn more, visit MediaKind.com and find MKIO Beam under Products. If you have questions, reach out directly or leave them in the comments. We're also launching a Beam video series that takes you through the platform step by step. That's a wrap for this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to learn more about MKIO Beam.